Guys, it's Katherine here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. I am so grateful. I am so glad that you're here. So guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I wax at home. Now I'm going to be using the sugar wax. This is something that you can actually DIY. You can do it yourself at home, the sugar wax, but I don't have that time to do it, so I got my sugar wax from a brand on Instagram. I'm going to leave a link to their Instagram handle in my description box, so do check that out. And the reason why I am using the sugar wax is I've done my research. I watched a couple of videos here on YouTube. I checked on Instagram as well. I googled a few things here and there, and I've come to realize that sugar wax is less painful than the Brazilian wax. I haven't done the Brazilian wax before, but for the sugar wax, I've tried it today for the area down there. Today, and in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I wax my leg and my armpits. Now if this is something that you're interested in, then let's get right into the video. Guys, the items that you'll be needing for this sugar wax, the sugar wax itself. Now this is from the brand on Instagram. So let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. You need your spatula, need your powder. So I think this is baby powder really, because I try to perceive it. So it's baby powder that they put in here. You need your calming oil. I don't know what they used to make this. I would find out and I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. So this is a calming oil. And finally, you're going to be needing your wax strip. So this is just like piece of clothing. So yeah. So guys, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, voiceover Katherine here again. So first off, we're going to have to put our sugar wax into the microwave and leave it there for 30 seconds so as to get the desired consistency needed for the sugar wax procedure. First off, you're going to apply your powder. So you're going to apply your powder around the area you want to wax. This helps, this helps make your armpit area matte before you can apply your sugar wax. So next thing, you dip in your spatula into the wax. So this is how it looks. Guys, can you see? So I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, just like you've seen, and this is the consistency that you get afterwards. I'm going to be needing my mirror for this process so that I can see what I'm doing. So I'll put it this way. So guys, this is what you get afterwards. Then the next step is to apply your wax strip. So I'm just going to place it on the area that I applied my sugar wax. So I'm just going to make sure that it stays nice and flat. So I'll press it on. So you're supposed to leave this on for like 50 seconds. So I'm just going to keep doing this. So you apply in the direction that opposite the direction that your hair grows. So my hair grows this way. So I applied it this way. Now I'm going to pull out this way, guys. Your girl is cute. Okay, let's do this. Guys, can you see all that hair? Can you see? Can you see all that hair? So I'm just going to look at it to be sure that, okay, I can still see a few hairs somewhere around here, so I'm going to apply again. So I'm just going to apply again, just here, this area where I can still see hairs. I'm going to use like my wax strip, so I'm going to place it like so. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'll leave it on for 50 seconds again. I'm going to pull now. So guys, can you see? Can you see the hair over there? Next step is I'm going to use my wipe. Just take out that excess sugar wax that I have on there. Okay, so now I've taken out all the hairs that I have. I don't know if you guys can see. So next thing, I'm going to apply the calming oil. That area that we just waxed. And I think I prefer waxing to using the hair remover cream. That's Vit hair remover cream that we usually use. I like the feeling that I get afterwards, and I definitely prefer it to using shaving stick. Like my armpits feel so smooth. I love it. So we are going to do the same process on my leg. Now, let's go, guys. So guys, I am applying baby powder to absorb excess moisture on my leg. Same thing that I did with my underarms. So that's what I'm doing right now. For the next step, I am applying the sugar wax opposite to hair growth. Remember guys, opposite to hair growth. Next, I am applying the wax strip on the area that I just applied my sugar wax. So afterwards, I'm just going to, press on just to make sure that it really sticks onto the wax strip. Then I pull swiftly. Finally, I am applying the calming oil to the area that I just waxed. That's just to, just calm that area, just like the name implies, to calm the area that I just waxed. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you liked it, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. By comment, if you've had sugar wax done before, share your experience with me in the comment section below. If you've had Brazilian wax before, I would like to know from your personal experience, which do you prefer between sugar wax and Brazilian wax? Which do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section. Then between wax generally and using your shaving stick and using your chemical hair removers like Vit and the rest, which do you prefer? I want to know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, we've come to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.